Yes. Hello, everybody. And here we are in our section, contact us section. We want to add another icon, and then the size should be the same size as the email icon. But in the beginning, the icon is not the same; it's different size. So here we have the code here, icon button and icon equal to that, and we are using the icon. That's the shortcut from one theme called fountain. That's a theme. That's the template of the theme. Fountain template documentation. That's the icons. So, and the problem is when you have that, when you have when you including the icon, the size is different. So we need to manually we need to like write some code. Okay, if there's no code, if there's no CSS for the icon, the size is by default is really small. So we want to make the bigger icon. So what we do is we have to write some CSS to make the same thing as before, right? So now what I did is CSS. We need to use the CSS to detect what is the class. Okay, once we get a class, and we need to detect the location of the icon here. Before there's have a class called UK icon location arrow, and there's before. So by adding this code, you get bigger, right? So this code has to be put somewhere. So in the theme, in the template, there's a called custom CSS. I write all my custom CSS into this location. So by looking at that here, UK icon font before is font size is 50 pixels. So if I comment out that part and then I save it. So let's go to the front end to see what's the effect. It gets really smaller, right? It's really small. So my CSS is affect the looking. So I disable the comment out now. That's fine. That's all. And usually sometimes we have to use CSS for the looking. And now what I need to do is I need to change the content. I need to have my address. We need address there. So I go to my site. That's the address. And change it. That's the address. Let's not put anything. So we need to have the URL links, right? It's linking to nowhere. So I go to my Google Maps, linking to nowhere. So I want it pointing to somewhere. Okay. Get a link. Let's test the link. Okay, we get a link, right? Okay, that's the location. So now we need to put the URL to that part. We're done. Done. So now if we click that, it will redirect us to the Google Maps. So the user will have that. The user can see. It's really helpful to allow the users to navigate to the location. What we see here, the font size is different than the telephone. So we need to change that. So 9. Oh, it's looking smaller. I don't know why it's looking smaller. P. Okay, there's no font size. Yeah, okay. I think the reason is the span. Actually, we don't want the span. We just delete that span. The same thing for that for the location. Delete that. So everything's fine now. Everything is we want exactly. So the same size, the same thing, everything is the same. But here, it's looking like something wrong with the. It's it get outside. It get outside of part of that. So we need to check what's wrong. Dev. 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 Yeah, nothing wrong with that. And let's put the I'm putting the province and the postcode below, so it can never be override that part. Okay, so now everything's fine. When you click that, it will be connect to the phone, and when you click that, it will send email. When you click this, it will be redirect you to the Google Map direction. So that feature is done, and we need to get rid of that my Google Map hotel address. That feature, before I want to have the Google Maps. So now we don't need that. Just like delay. Go to the module. And the module name is Google Map. I'm going to delete the trash. So okay, so that feature is good. Everything's fine now, and cool. So thank you for watching. Now you see how you can change the size of the icon to adapt to your need. And thank you for watching. And I hope this video can help you to understand how to use icons to change the size of the icon. Thank you for watching. See you next video.